All right, let's dive into the coding workspace. So we have received the data set. We can read the data set within the code. So I'm just developing these things in the Jupyter notebook for better understanding. I'll just name it as travel policy detector. I've been provided with a million of websites, but I'm just gonna show only 1,000 records. So first and foremost step is to import the libraries. So request is the library that has been used to get and post responses of for the particular URL. You can import either pandas or CSV based on your convenience. And we need a LXML parser to parse the HTML content. TLD extract is nothing but to extract the domain name as well as the prefix and suffix of the particular website. And finally, the beautiful soup to traverse through the HTML tags and get our desired results. We need to import the data set. So I'm just naming it as data set. Want to take a look at the shape of the data set. So we have 1,000 rows. Contains only one column, that is URL, and it holds the list of URLs over there. I have a header to avoid the robotic detection. Header is nothing but it holds the key as user agent and list of browser names are stating the website that I'm a human and I'm just using this browser. So which makes the website believe that okay, this has been not a scripted one. This has been done from a human intervention. I'm going to write a special function called HTML parser. So I'm just naming it as parse HTML. This accepts the argument response content from the website. So whatever be the website that you are going to extract, if you just call this function and pass the response content, we will be getting the text from the HTML file. And we have some blacklist. So this blacklist is different from of what I said before. So this is a blacklist with respect to HTML content. From my previous experience, I have came across these tags and I'm just inputting it. We would be just iterating all the elements that we got from the text elements. So these are all the blacklist tag as I explained now. Even some of the lines would be commented. So we don't want to focus on those lines as well. So if you don't find any of the tags or even the comment, so those are all the interested areas that we're going to focus. The next step would be like joining all the clean text. I'm just removing the extended R or slash n cases which we encounter from the result text. And also I'm just creating a tag remove pattern. I'm just compiling a regular expression. Usually the HTML tag starts with a greater than symbol and less than symbol and ends with greater than symbol. So if in case if we have encountered those symbols, we will be just removing it. So I just missed the starting one and I will be just removing the extra slashes that we have from the result text. The next step was we have to create the blacklist and I have the blacklist that has been created. So we are just focusing only on the travel policy. We are not focusing on family travel insurance, checklist, dynamic travel, trip cover. They are not focusing on these keywords. They are focusing on some other else. So that would be the pure travel policy websites. So the next step would be like we should be importing the blacklist text file of what I have just created.